Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new Resonator-Delete kit for the 2018 Ford Mustang GT with a 5.0-liter V8 engine. This system replaces the factory resonator with our exclusive Scavenger X-pipe, giving your Mustang GT an increase in power and sound. Keep in mind the increase in sound will also be inside the vehicle since you're removing the resonator. The Resonator-Delete assembly can be used in conjunction with either the factory mufflers or with Flowmaster's axle-back exhaust kits. The Scavenger X-pipe assembly is constructed of fully mandrel-bent 2.5-inch 409 stainless steel tubing and is dyno tuned for maximum performance. The Flowmaster Scavenger X-pipe will generally provide a much stronger signal, resulting in an increase in power, and will have a deep, unique exhaust note that commands attention. Okay, we got the old resonator removed. Go ahead and install the new Scavenger X-pipe. Now let's go out and hear what this thing sounds like. If you want to add a deeper exhaust note, at the same time increasing the sound level and adding some ponies to your 2018 Mustang GT, then our Resonator-Delete kit is the way to go. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.